I will see you guys in the morning, which will only be a couple of seconds for you guys really, and we're gonna dig right into this and let's see if we can't fix the 350Z then.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alrighty guys, well it was just a couple of seconds for you guys, was an entire night full of sleep and driving home. So guys, right now we are headed over to my parents' house. We just got out of my college class and we're gonna be headed over there and we're gonna see if we can't pull out the differential. Alrighty guys, we're back at my parents. First things first is we're gonna jack up the car. Normally, you'd have the car flipped around 180, but because I can't move the car and I don't have anyone to help me push it, we're gonna have to do it kind of the unsafe way, which is why I parked my Avalon behind it. That way, if anything worse comes to worse, it'll just hit the Avalon and it'll keep the Z from rolling down the street or into people. So without further ado, let's get this on, let's jack it up, and we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, finally, just got that all jacked up. As you guys can tell, it's not the safest, but I mean, it'll get the job done. So I'm gonna go under, I'm gonna see if I can't disconnect the drive shaft and the axles, then we'll drop the differential and hopefully get on our way to putting in our new one. Just getting a little under view, you can see that we have our axle right here. We're gonna have our axle on the other side. So those are drive shafts. So we're gonna be starting by taking off this bolt right here. That bolt is gonna be a 17. And then these bolts right here are gonna be a 14 millimeter. So first we're gonna take off that, take apart the drive shaft, and then take off the axles. Then we're gonna have 1, 2, and then our final third one right there. And then we should be able to go from there. Guys, I almost forgot, I have to put the car into gear. Alrighty guys, we didn't have a part I needed, so I have come to Pep Boys. We're gonna see if we can't get a little socket adapter. Thank you. Alrighty guys, we got everything we needed. So now we're gonna head back home and see if we can't finish working on the car. Okay guys, as you guys can tell, both of the axles are dropped, one here and one right there. And if you look up in here, we have our one little prong coming out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our jack up underneath, we're gonna push it forward and then down, and then it hopefully will come right out. Or I might just be lazy, I'm just gonna do it right now. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me. And I almost forgot guys, you have to take out the 2 sensors on either side for the wheel sensor. Okay guys, so we just finished taking out the differential. We ran into some complications and I had to take off part of the exhaust and part of the sway bar, but we were able to get it done. Longest story short, there's polyurethane bushings in 2 out of the 3 of the new differential that we got, so we need to get the 3rd one pressed in to the actual car, as you guys can tell right there. And essentially guys, what that means is we're gonna have to pause today because I have work here in an hour and we have to take the car to a shop and get that last polyurethane bushing pressed in. So guys, without further ado, thank you for watching today's video and I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe guys, and with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this